I've literally been all over the place today and I'm going to attempt to make an air dam. I finally found this. It took me probably about 25 miles worth of searching and driving about to find it, but it's just some normal garden edging which I'm going to be using. For starters, I've cut it down to a more workable size. I'm now going to see what I can do. So after a fair bit of cutting now, I've managed to make this shape here. It'll be easy to see once it's actually lined up and properly on the car. Sort of like that. So see how it goes now. I've begun to send it now and it's sort of working. It's not going to block any air going to the radiator because it's the perfect height for it to allow the air to still go in. I might change the height of it yet, I don't know, but kinda like that. Better than the old primer stone chip and shite that you can see behind there usually. For £25 from the range, it's a good little mod. It made a decent little air dam for myself. Could do with some better hardware to make it look nicer, all bolted up, which I'll eventually do at some point. I'm really happy with that. However, I'm just unsure, should I put some just behind that canard there, just to sort of fill that gap out. I decided to quickly cut some up and see if I could make it work, and I think I prefer the way it looks like this, so this is how it's going to be now. Just need to do the other side.